It's got to be facing you for it to work. High. Medium. Low. Sort of nice because it does have oscillating, 3 different speeds, timer, which I haven't personally used, and I haven't used the night feature on it. So I don't know exactly how those work, but you can turn the oscillating off. See? Oh. Alright. Here we go. Okay, so stay stationary. I mean, that's cool. It does give out pretty good air. I like how that works. I like the, I like that it's made for technically a bigger room than what I currently have going on, but I mean, it's not very noisy. I mean, even on the loud, the highest speed, it's not too loud. You can still hear, like, if you're, you know, got your TV on or anything like that. I really like the oscillating feature on here. It's not usually that hard to get the thing to work, but I think it's just because I'm recording. Overall, I really like this little deal. It's pretty light. It's nice because it's got a handle on the back. It's got the features on it as well. I've had it for about approximately a month or so now. So if you lose the remote or if it's not working or whatever, you can, you know, you can do that. Does have batteries. Hold on. Alright. Takes 2 AAA batteries. Pretty easy little remote. It's nice when you're at, you know, doing nighttime stuff and get ready for bed. You can just, you know, click it, turn it on, whatever. So I mean, I feel like it's a pretty nice little fan.
Today I'm going to review this Lasko tower fan. I actually use this, I have a gym in my garage, and so I use this in the garage, and it keeps me very cool. It's a tower, so it stands up. The controls are on the top. I actually have the remote taped to the top because I was moving, and so I didn't want to lose it. But all you do is just plug it in, turn it on. You hear it's very quiet. And then you can turn it so that it oscillates. You see it moving here. It's really quietly moving. And then you can change, you see the buttons on the front or the green lights. You can see the changes. Went from 3 to 2 to 1, and then you can set the timer as well. I'll go ahead and take off this remote. It's not moving anymore, but at least I can show you the buttons. What it says here. So it's got the power, speed, oscillating, timer, and then nighttime. So those are all the functions. This is a great fan. I've had it for a while and it still works great. I've moved with it and it's still super quiet. I highly recommend it.
It oscillates and it literally blows throughout the room, and literally this is the fan here, we're sitting here and we can still feel it. So good.
So go to turn it on, nothing. Go to oscillating, doesn't work, nothing. Nothing.